Hello everyone, today we will be looking at pawn races. This is the Endgame series, a series in which I explain all the endgames in increasing difficulty. Also, according to YouTube statistics, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Enjoy the video. But what is a pawn race? A pawn race is a situation where both opponents are pushing a passed pawn in effort to be the first to promote. In this position, the white pawn will promote like this, and the black pawn will promote like this. In the end, they will promote at the same time and transpose to an equal queen versus queen endgame. But just by placing the king in a different spot, the position changes drastically. This position is completely winning for white. Let's have a look. Both sides promote at the same time. But in this position, we use a tactical motif to win the queen, just like this. Also, the positioning of the pawn can make a huge difference, because in the end, the white queen will be able to take the black queen. This is an exercise for you. It's white to move and win the game. If you want, you can pause the video right now. The solution is to promote first and then trade off the queens with a double attack. By playing the move queen to b5, we attack two pieces. The queen has to take, the king takes back, and he is in a better spot. He used to be in the way of the pawn, but now the pawn is free to promote. We are just a little bit quicker than black and we are able to take the black queen. Let's have a look at this position. It's white to move and win the game. If you want, you can pause the video right now. If you found the move king to d4, congratulations. King to d4 is a multi-purpose move. First of all, it's stepping away from the check that the black queen would give on b1. But also, it's controlling some key squares. And it will be difficult for black to stop the white pawn from promoting. If we would have played the move f4 instead, black would have been able to come closer with the king. And he would have drawn this position. If, after king to d4, black plays the move king to b5, we block the king by playing the move king to d5. We make sure the black king can't come in any way. In the end, we are able to win the queen just like this. If instead black plays the move b4, we use a very nice technique. After f5 and b3, we play the move king to c3. This is forcing the king to the a3 square, from which we will be able to check the king when we promote. In the end, we win the queen in a very nice fashion. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.